Any mention? Item number 1.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. I'm appearing for item number 1, my lord.
Yes, for whom?
For the appellant, my lord.
Who's the appellant?
My lord.
Wrong bench, my lord.
I think you're wrong bench. Yes, this is a bench, division bench 1. Next will be, I think. Yes.
I'm sorry, my lord.
That's all right. Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, we were supposed to file written argument.
Yes.
Before that, my lord, I would like to place a short bullet points for easy reference. Just a few points which I wanted to
You
highlight.
want to make arguments again?
Just a few, only 10 minutes, my lord. Because on the last occasion, my lord, it was, in my humble submission, not very effectively heard because it's running in thousands. I just wanted to point out 5 or 6 pages just to.
You give in digital format also.
Not sure, I'll do that
That's
of the
because
compilation.
it's very difficult for us to, to live through all this. Might as well spoil our eyes more and
That's why I have, my lord, put it down in 4 pages, the entire thing. In bullet.
My lordship, I have highlighted all my arguments, written arguments, written arguments. They have been submitted. Along with this, my lordship, I would like to place on record 2 judgments, my lordship, of the Apex Court.
Have you referred in the argument? Have
No.
you referred to it?
No,
See, the things that why we asking for note submissions is that your notes and submissions are recorded plus the decisions you rely upon in one place.
Okay.
Not that you give decisions separately, you give your note submissions separately, or bullet points separately.
Lordship, I appreciate it. Lordship, I have it on another date because I was
Please
praying
consolidate it, otherwise it becomes very difficult.
that the matter can be heard comprehensively on a date fixed, and we'll submit the written argument on
There's no question of hearing it any further, Mr. Deb.
I'm not asking for a complete re-hearing. Only few points I wanted to just
My
point
lordship, none of
out,
the
which I
points
missed.
none of the
He can counter it. I have no issue with that. I just wanted to point out 5 or 6 pages. I'll not take more than 10 minutes for it.
But please, you come next time, you make it concise.
Yes, ma'am.
And you give a pen drive for digital format, and
We'll give a
likewise, and you can
Lordship.
please, I'll give you 10 minutes each.
Very well, Lordship. I'll be obliged.
Dear Assam, I don't think you need to make any submissions.
I have submitted the written.
Fine, yes. We'll just record Sir Assam submissions then. Today, Sir Assam, yes, you take this back. You Sir Assam, respondent number
3, my lord.
3 has filed notes on written submissions, written notes on submissions. With regard to the petitioner and the respondent number 14, they are allowed 1 week's further time to consolidate their arguments into one document.
Lordship.
Yes, together with digital format.
Lordship.
Yes,
Whereas my presence is not necessary.
not necessary. Yes, the presence of the government advocate on behalf of Sir Assam is dispensed with the next.
Obliged.
It's excused next year. Sorry.
Item number 2.
Urgent 2 is corrected. I'll file it in the same.
Yes.
Lordship, our reply is almost ready. Some time may be granted to file the same.
Wrong bench, I
Lordship, the
believe.
matter may be kindly taken up after 19th of July.
So you filed it within. We'll give 2 weeks. Yes. 2 weeks.
I
Yes.
think my friend is referring to a different matter, my lord.
Which one? I think you are a wrong bench.
Lordship,
What's your case? Which is your case?
wrong bench, I believe.
What case is this? Yes. What's your name?
Miss.
Which case are you appearing in? Number? You give case number?
Lordship, my name
Party's
is
name? Party's name?
Item number 2. Item number 2.
Party's name. There are 3 lists running in this court.
Vinci.
That's in the next.
That does the next bench.
Yes, Lordship, it's a MS
Yes.
Vinci Global.
Yes.
Okay, Lordship.
These matters can be taken after 2 weeks. We'll file it.
Yes. You do it 2 weeks. Then.
Obliged.
You don't have to borrow bills.
Any mention?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7. Lordship, this is a joint.
Number 7.
Number 7, Lordship.
7 still pending in the, is finished on the Supreme Court, correct?
Lordship is posted, yes, Lordship.
Then,
Lordship, we are still awaiting instruction in this matter.
yes, who's appearing? Dr. Muzika.
My lord, I am appearing. My lord, in this case, I need to file an amendment application in pursuance of the direction issued by the Honorable Supreme Court in Tej Pratap Singh case.
Then you put your application, we'll consider it.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, you are Mr. Bansal.
Ashish Bansal,
You're for the petitioner.
counsel for petitioner. Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Bansal.
Lordship,
and
and for
counsel.
respondent 2 to 6.
The respondent number?
2 to 6, Lordship.
Yes. Mr. Bansal, learned counsel for the petitioner, raised that he is allowed to put in an application for amendment in view of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. Pass in which case?
Tej Pratap Singh, my lord.
You give the number. Yes.
I'll, my lord.
Yes. Give it to a local counsel, whatever. Yes.
Civil, diary number 2196 of 2026, my lord.
Diary number.
Yes, my lord. The real number, original number has not been allotted till that date, and on that basis, the application has been.
Okay, we won't record that. For which Mr. Bansal praised that he will put an application for amendment in view of directions passed in a connected matter. In a matter, what you
In
record?
the case of Tej Pratap Singh case, my lord.
We won't record that. Just like with the response out to put an application for amendment of petition stuff. Same objected to by Dr. Muzika for response 1. And MS A. Pradhan for 2 to 6. Just when do you want it? After 3 weeks?
After 4
3
weeks, my lord.
Yes.
After
Yes.
4 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks, you know.
My lord, the stay may continue, my lord. Stay.
As a stay.
Yes, my lord.
Stay order, yes, interim order of any to continue till the next day. Yes. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 4, Your Lordship. Not my counsel.
4, 5 are same, Your Lordship.
Praying for 2 weeks, staying, Your Lordship. I mean, item number 5, Your Lordship.
You are ready for number 5.
Let come together, Your Lordship. Let come together, Your Lordship.
Okay, when?
2 weeks, staying, Your Lordship.
This is 22 matter, 50 matter. 2 weeks, next time we will finish it off.
I sure, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Item number 1.
Yes, number 1, yes. Yes.
Lordship, this matters, Lordship. I just received the files, Lordship. There was some delay in my part, Lordship, in receiving the files.
Yes.
Because of the unrest in the state, Lordship. I only praise that, Lordship. This matter may be listed after 3 weeks, Lordship, for preparation of the brief. Because
You take 4 weeks, yes.
this,
Mr. L. Rajesh.
yes, Lordship. Yes.
Praise and is allowed 4 weeks for that time to prepare and prepare the matter. Yes. Yes, up to 4 weeks. Yes.
Lordship may be listed on Thursday, Lordship, because I may use the advantage of hybrid court, Lordship.
Yes, you have to come on Tuesday or Thursday. Yes.
Item number 2.
Obliged, grateful.
Yes. Where's that?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes. Where's the rejoinder
Lordship,
affidavit?
our reply is almost ready, Lordship. Sometime
We don't know about that. Okay, this after further 2 weeks as allowed for rejoinder. Yes.
Lordship, kindly the matter may be listed after 19th of July as my senior
No.
is not well. She'll
Only
be
for,
out
it's
of
only for
session
filing
for
of rejoinder,
2
nothing
days.
else. You don't need a senior there. File rejoinder in 3 weeks' time. Yes. Hearing will come thereafter. Yes.
Well, number 3, we are yet to file affidavit.
You have to
Highly
file it.
obliged.
Yes.
Number 3.
You file it then.
Yes.
After 3 weeks. Yes. For the 3 weeks time is paid allowed to the learned to the respondents for affidavit. Yes. Just thereafter. Yes.
Highly obliged. Lordship.
Item number 6. Hearing 6.
What matters pending for the Supreme Court?
But here what happened, my lord, this is pertaining to smuggling of gold, my lord. The minimum value of tax. Because there
Regarding
are,
the appeal,
yes, ma'am. There are
what has come out from Supreme Court? Anything?
nothing, we're still pending
Now what you have to adjourn it?
to adjourn. Because if that is decided in their favor, this appeal will go.
Yes, Mr. Dr. M. Muzikal, DHI submits that the outcome from the Supreme Court is awaited just after
6 weeks?
6 weeks. Yes. Next matter also.
No, only this.
7 adjourned.
No, this is 6.
6.
Yes.
6.
Any mention?
If I may crave your lordship's indulgence to move a matter unlisted, my lords. This matter pertains to, my lords, calling for a meeting by the headman, who, my lords, from the Shella Confederacy, my lords, he has very limited role. He is just the chief of the court. He otherwise has no role. So, my lords, to remove the secretary, who's otherwise the headman, my lords, the meeting has been called tomorrow. So, if your lordships can accommodate us today, my lords.
He's called for the meeting.
Yes, my lords.
But the thing is that matter was here before this court. The secretary was removed without. Now he's given a hearing or something tomorrow.
Not that matter, my lords. I don't think this is connected with that one.
Tomorrow, okay.
Your lordships will have it tomorrow, my lords. Matter is already filed and registered, my lords. Lordships.
When's the meeting scheduled?
Tomorrow, my lords. It's scheduled tomorrow at 12 o'clock. That's what I know.
Let it come then today.
Today. Obliged.
My lord, I'm praying for listing an existing matter tomorrow, my lord. This is with regard. This is the matter with Mr. M. Nath appeared, my lord. This is with regard to tender in IIFT, Indian Institute of Film in Arunachal Pradesh, my lord. Supply of furniture, and there's a requirement that the tender must have office in the
5 years.
5 years, my lord. My lord, we issued a corrigendum, so matter has become infructuous, my lord. We've extended the timeline, so the matter will be listed tomorrow, my lord. Obliged.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 29, your lordship. I'm praying for 2 weeks time, your lordship.
No objection, your lordship.
Okay. Yes.
Similar prayer for item number 32, your lordship.
One of these Sangma.
Yes, your lordship.
No objection.
No, your lordship.
You also are there.
Yes, lordship.
Yes.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
I'll beg to mention item number 37, lordship. I'm for respondent 4, 5 and 6, your lordship. No objection.
Other side now, yes. There's no objection. Yes.
Highly obliged, lordship.
Yes.
Please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 31. Pay for 2 weeks time, your lordship.
Why?
For conducting.
Where's the petitioner? Where's Mr. Paul? What's it for today?
Well, this is that item number 31
Yes,
regarding
report. We asked for who's supposed to release the status report.
State has already filed it.
You've received status report.
Yes, yes, we've received it.
We'll dispose of it after 1 week then.
Let's be a limited issue now. The money is also there. Only that I can't touch it.
No, we'll release it.
Well, it's
maybe give some cost to. Only thing is that this court wants to know what does ICFC do actually in matters like this, because in 90% of the matters of freezing it involves this bank only. So we have to have some proactive.
Some mechanism has to be.
Yes, within. They can't just punish the depositors like this. That's the, where's Mr. Marpan? He appeared in HDFC, correct?
He was here a while back.
After 1 week, we'll have it.
Well,
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 38, your lordship. The conducting counsel is not available. Your lordship.
38? Who's
38.
counsel?
Miss T. Yangi.
They all in Sikandrabad also?
No, your lordship.
No.
She's not available.
Yes. 2 weeks, yes.
Similar prayer of item number 40, your lordship.
1 week or 2 weeks?
2 weeks, your lordship.
No objection, your lordship.
Okay.
And a similar prayer of item 41, your lordship, on behalf of ASD, your lordship.
Your objection?
No objection.
No one has any objection, yes.
Much obliged, lordship.
This matter can be taken after 2 weeks, my lord. I am for Tura Municipal Board and Bagmala Municipal Board.
No objection, your lordship.
Yes?
No objection.
You are Mr. Philemon?
Yes, your lordship.
Okay. Panna.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Mansuri, what is this?
Your Lordship, this is regarding the arbitrary denial of the payment of the contract work, which has been completed way back in the year 2013, my Lord. And similarly situated contractors in the past have been paid.
For the same work?
My Lord.
Your Lordship, I'll take notice on behalf of respondent 1, 2, 3 and 4, Your Lordship.
What are you saying they've been paid earlier on? Where is that?
That is in the, Your Lordship may kindly come to.
It's admitted.
Admitted, my Lord.
It's admitted dues, not.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No dispute with the amount.
Yes,
There is no dispute, my Lord.
I'll take instructions on that, Your Lordship. They were partially paid initially, Your Lordship.
They have paid partially, my Lord. They have paid around 7 lakhs out of 31 lakhs. 24 lakhs is balance.
No, you see in the earlier case, where's the earlier case?
Earlier case, my Lord, Your Lordship may kindly come to page 10, page 32, annexure 10, my Lord.
Page 32?
32, my Lord. This is the case which has been disposed of. During the pendency of this restriction, they have already paid them out.
Yeah. Same petitioner?
No, my Lord. This is Barmina.
Yes, heard NMMC counsel for the petitioner. You should notice Ms. Hailingwa is present except on behalf of the respondents, all the respondents. No further is required just after 2 weeks for instructions of affidavit.
Item number 2.
Same, my Lord.
Connected, Your Lordship.
Obliged.
Same, exactly the same matter.
Same matter. Obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
3.
Lordship, this matter pertains to an ex gratia payment of a deceased Assam Rifle personnel who expired while performing his duty due to an accidental gunshot by his own rifleman.
I'll take it as a panel.
Yes,
Appears to be
you not paid ex gratia after the accident happened. When did it happen?
Some
It
5 years
happened
back, 2021.
12/6/2021.
We not paid anything after the accident?
Not yet.
But I'll have it. It appears to be
You Mr. G. Chetri?
Yes.
Mr. G. Chetri, counsel, you should notice Dr. N. Mozika.
Sijalo.
Yes? Yes.
Sijalo.
C is present. So, no further is required. At least after 2 weeks for instructions of affidavit. Yes. Yes.
4.
Yes.
Your Lordship, here I am challenging the impugned order passed by GHADC declaring the tender process and the subsequent allotment, Your Lordship, without any reason on a vague ground of procedural lapse. Your Lordship, I'll take you to annexure 3 first, Your Lordship, page 23.
Yes.
Page 24, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lordship has it?
Yes.
May I read, Your Lordship?
Mr. D is online.
Yes, my Lord. I'm here.
Okay, yes, yes.
Your Lordship, Office of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, Tura, Civil Works Department, short notice inviting tender. This is for the rural local bodies untied grant, second installment 2021-22. Seal tenders in prescribed form, appeasing court fees so and so. Contractors of Civil Works Department for the under-mentioned work and will be received in the Office of the Superintending Engineer, Civil Works Department up to 27/2/2026, 1:30 p.m. and will be opened on the same date at 2 p.m. in the presence of the tenderers or the authorized representatives who desire to be present. Your Lordship, this is the tender which was invited, Your Lordship.
Well, these are, how many works are here?
There are 148 works, Your Lordship.
Now all of them have been cancelled?
All of them have been cancelled, Your Lordship.
Yes. Then it's not
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Thereafter, I participated, Your Lordship, by submitting my application, Your Lordship, whereby I was allotted 2 tenders, Your Lordship, two allotments, Your Lordship, which is at Annexure 4, Your Lordship. I had applied, and the scheme is at Annexure 6, page 41, Your Lordship, is the allotment list. Page 41 is the allotment list, Your Lordship, Annexure 6.
Yes.
Your Lordship, my name surfaces at page 44, Your Lordship, at serial number 24 and 25.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the construction of village court at Mahadev Varima for 12 lakhs, and another construction of RCC culvert at Siju, Duramong for 5 lakhs, Your Lordship.
Okay. Where's the cancellation order?
Now, it's at Annexure 7, Your Lordship. Next page, page 45, Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, in the intervening period, there was a change in the EC. So, there was a change in the executive committee.
This was allotted when? This was allotted on?
In the month of February, Your Lordship.
Okay, yes. What happened?
And then the order, impugned order is of April, Your Lordship.
There was a change in EC. So, you mean to say that because of that they've cancelled?
Your Lordship, yeah, Your Lordship, the order also says, as per the decision of the executive committee, so and so, the notice inviting tenders, so and the allotment list for 15 FC rural local bodies untied second installment, so stands cancelled due to procedural lapses, Your Lordship.
Okay, yes, Mr. Day.
Now,
my Lord, here, my Lord, I would like to point out first, if my Lord may kindly come to the comparative statement first, my Lord. Comparative statement which has been enclosed by the petitioner in page 54, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, may kindly see, he is the only bidder.
Okay.
He's one of the only bidder. The tender was floated on 20th February, but
yes, yes,
and the work order was allotted on 27th, my Lord.
Yes.
And within 27th of February, the work order was allotted to him, my Lord.
He was the only bidder for this work. Yes.
Yes, my Lord. This is one of the labs, my Lord. If
yes,
if I can complete.
Yeah, let him complete. Yes. Yes, Mr. Day.
My Lord.
Then
if there was only one bidder, my Lord, automatically it's amount to cancellation only, my Lord. But there was something, my Lord, for which this work was allotted to him, my Lord. Subsequently, my Lord, what has come into the notice of the present EC, my Lord? My Lord, may kindly see that the EC's resolution, my Lord. And before I go to EC's resolution, my Lord, I will like to take my Lord to the note sheet of the office file, my Lord. That is on page 52, my Lord. 51, first 51, my Lord. My Lord, is there, my Lord? 51
yes.
Page. Yes. My Lord, as directed by the executive engineer member, IC in charge civil work department, flag at so and so. That is on 20th February 2026, my Lord.
Yes.
And tender was floated. Subsequently, yes. My Lord, on the next page, page 52, my Lord.
Yes.
52, if my Lord may kindly see, note regarding the closure of the tender for 5th Finance Commission for the financial year of so and so is hereby closed 27th.
Yes.
On 27th it was closed, my Lord.
Yes.
And on the very day, my Lord, the tender was opened, work order was allotted, my Lord. That means within 7 days, my Lord.
Yes.
The tender was never advertised, my Lord.
Was never advertised?
This is one, no, my Lord. This is one of the lacuna, my Lord. Because of that, the EC has reconsidered it, my Lord. Second thing, my Lord, as my friend was narrating about the EC's resolution, if my Lord may kindly come to the EC's minutes of the EC in page 59, my Lord.
Yes.
minute of the executive committee meeting held on 27 March 2026 at 1 p.m. in the office chamber of the chief executive member, GHDC Tura.
Yes.
Now, my lord, if my lord come to serial number 2A.
Yes.
The matter pertaining to the issuance of the work order by the issuing NIT under 15th Finance Commission has been taken up for discussion. After a thread-based discussion, it has been observed that the NIT was done without receiving the sanctioned amount. Amount was not received by the district council, my lord. How he could have floated the tender, my lord?
No,
this was done because, my lord, they was already aware, my lord, the EC may lose their power.
We'll look that now. Yes, heard Mr. Paul Paskin, council petitioner, issue notice. Mr. S. Day is present, accept notice on behalf of respondents number 4 to 7. Oh no, 3 to 7.
3 to 7.
State not necessary.
The formal parties.
State formal parties represented by MS S. Bhattacharjee. What about number 8?
It is.
Number 8 notice has to go, my lord.
Number 8 union.
I take steps, Your Lord.
Yes. Secretary Ministry Panchayati Raj. Yes. Steps to be taken for notice. Actually, there's no purpose to be served by making this anyway. It's on 8. Just after 2 weeks, you put an affidavit.
Your Lordship, there is a miscase, Your Lordship, because the present EC is under the process of issuing fresh NIT, Your Lordship.
If that is the case, my lord, the matter become infructuous, my lord.
Yes.
He has to challenge that, my lord.
Yes.
No, it has not. They have not issued as of now, but they are under the process.
Look, he is making the statement, my lord.
Yes, after 2 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Quickly oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes.
But very limited prayer in this writ petition, my lord.
Called out is it?
Oh, sorry, sir.
All of the matters.
5.
Well, it's
limited prayer, my lord.
Well, it's before my learned friend starts. Well, it's I have filed a caveat on behalf of the Church Management Committee, which is the complainant in this case. So, if my friend can serve me a copy, I be there. I think we are parties in these proceedings as well.
At the time of filing, there was no caveat.
No, it's not filed. It's filed today morning.
But just allow me, my lord. Just allow me. There's some urgency in the matter.
1 second.
Sir, what? We are respondent number what?
Just a minute. You are respondent number.
Yes,
7.
Mr.
7.
So you'll be appearing which respondent?
5, 6, 7 millions.
Okay, 5, 6, 7.
These are by name, my lord.
Yes, by name.
Just show me the caveat.
Yes.
Who are the prospective petitioners? There's only one caveat, my lord. Number 7. Only
If entering parents behalf 5 and 6 also well and good, then serves you the bother of.
It'll make my friend's job a little easier
Much
to serve.
easier, yes. Yes.
Yes.
The caveat Dravan. Yes. What does this matter?
Give them a copy, my lord.
Yeah, give them a copy. You take up tomorrow. You allow them time.
Well, it's some urgency, my lord. I'll just point out, my lord. Very limited issue, my lord.
If we are praying for interim orders, Mr. Nongri,
interim order, my
by
lord.
all rights, we have to hear them. No?
Sam,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
just run through
Just
the
permit
petition.
me. Just permit
My friend
me.
can start. I have no difficulty, Millets. My lordship will give me time tomorrow, Millets. I'll respond.
Reply on this.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I will not burden your lordships with the facts of the case, my lord. That's an issue, my lord, which the law will take its own course, my lord. Now, the issue before your lordship starts at page 78. Annexure 6. This is the minutes of the meeting, my lord. A meeting held by the Deputy Commissioner.
Yes.
Your lordships has page 78, annexure 6.
Yes.
Now, my lord, based on claims and counterclaims by two factions, my lord.
Yes.
I'm the main faction, my lord, and they are the faction who have left the church, my lord, around 100 in number. So, my lord, they have put some complaints before the sub-registrar, my lord, registrar of societies, and also, my lord, counter FIRs. Now, my lord, what happened in this meeting is, if I may read, my lord, the meeting reads, my lord, the minutes reads, my lord, meeting was presided over by Srimati so-and-so, Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills. At the outset, the chairman extended a welcome to all the members present. The chair stated that the purpose of the meeting is to discuss the matter relating to issue arising out of disagreement between two factions of the members of the Maukhar Presbyterian Church, Shillong, which may lead to breakdown of law and order. The chair, this is very important, the chair also pointed out that the district administration does not want to interfere in internal management of the church activities. So, Article 25, Article 26b. However, the present discord, complaints and counter complaints between the two factions have necessitated the district authorities to step in order to resolve the issue, since the church has about 9,200 members. Initiating the discussion, the chair issued the discussions in the meeting, law and order, registration of societies. Straight away, I'll take your lordships to the next page. These are the interim measures which has been directed by the Deputy Commissioner, my lord. After a threadbare discussion,
what's FIR about?
FIR, my lord, what happened in 2019, my lord?
For the defalcation.
Yes, my lord. So it was found, my lord, that around 300 crores was missing.
300?
Oh, sorry, my lord, 3 crores. Sorry, my mistake. 3 crores. 3 crores.
Yes.
So what happened, my lord? The pastor in charge did not agree, my lord, to file the FIR. What happened? The members of the church then pressurized the committee of the church that if you do not file an FIR, we will be compelled to file FIR against the committee. So the second pastor in charge, my lord, filed the FIR. Pursuant to his filing the FIR, he was deordained, my lord.
Okay.
Deordained. So what happened thereafter is, my lord, the church committee then decided to have an audit. An audit was done, my lord, in 2022. And when the audit was done, my lord, the initial FIR was only against one chowkidar. But when the audit was done in 2022, certain names came out, my lord. Very, my lord, including, my lord, pastors and church elders, my lord. So that is where, my lord, the issue started. So those FIRs, my lord, are still pending, my lord. So again, coming back to page 79, in the interim, what the DC has done, my lord, at page 79. It reads, my lord, after a threadbare discussion, the following decision was taken. The Superintendent of Police is requested to speed up the inquiry and submit the report. Number 2, based upon the inquiry, both parties should be directed to execute a bond keeping peace subject to the following conditions. Now, these conditions are important, my lord. Number 1, the church service for the members should not be closed. Number 2, there should not be any obstruction for performing of last burial rites of any members of the church. Number 3, my lord, to submit the list of properties. And, my lord, no meetings should be held in such properties, including the church premises, until the matter is resolved. So this is from where the problem has, my lord, started as on today. We have no problems with this, my lord. We want these services to be conducted regularly, and all the other ceremonies like, baptism, my lord, baptism, marriage, and burial, that should be carried on regularly, my lord. Now, my lord, I'll take your lordships.
See,
to page 89.
Mr. Pranami, I want to make it clear that this could not enter into internal management of the church.
No, my lord. No, my lord.
Thing, if you come against some perceived illegality in the part of the state, that is what we'll examine. Otherwise, if it deals with any other matter, we'll not go into it. That is classical.
No, my lord. I'll take your lordships to page 119. What I want from your lordships. Yes. Page 119 is the program of the church service, my lord.
You will not go there.
No.
That is an internal matter. Which not. Yes. Yes.
Page 119, now page 120 at the last, my lord, the date is June 28th.
Yes.
June 28th, sacrament for baptism, my lord, the translated copies at page 122. Baptism, sacrament for the Lord's Supper. So, my lord, all we want, what in the Presbyterian, my lord, we have 4 holy sacraments, my lord, in a year, at the end of every quarter. So June is the end of the quarter, my lord. Now, my lord, since we have de-affiliated with one synod and the other synod to which we have sought for affiliation.
Now you de-affiliated, you mean your church de-affiliated from the
previously
from the main synod?
No, we were with the Sepni synod, my lord, who disordained the pastor for filing the FIR.
So because of that, you have dissociated yourself.
Yes. So we have now, my lord, approached the Sepni synod for mini synod for affiliation, my lord. Now that is pending consideration, my lord. So as an interim, what they have said is, my lord, Synod Sepni has agreed to in the interim, my lord, so that
nothing gets affected.
Yes, nothing gets affected. Has recently, my lord, in June, my lord, communicated to us that they're willing to help us, my lord. That your lordships will find at page
Mingi,
my lord, at page 93, my lord. So that
clear about that, yes.
Yes. So Mingi at page 93.
Yes.
Communicated to us on 5th of June 2026.
Yes.
Last paragraph, my lord, may I read in Khasi, my lord?
Yes.
Last paragraph, my lord. So what they say is, Kumta ka executive committee hadin kajinyakeran ka banya basani bha kilayakut. Number 1. Banyarap ya ka balang Presbyterian maukar ban pendep ya ka sacrament haka yeng mane bat yakitu ki bapang basitom hi haki yeng kisem. Number 2. Ban pendep ya ka jing ya tho shongkurim bat kiwei. So, my lord, this is what we're concerned with, my lord. Sunday is the sacrament. We get only 4 times a year, my lord. And what the impugned order says, my lord, what the DC has done by the impugned order, which is at page 116.
What is PCI?
Impugned order.
Yes.
Page 116 and Annexure 19. It reads, my lord, this is issued by the Deputy Commissioner. It says priority 19th of June. Whereas this office has received a copy of letter so and so. That is from the second paragraph now. Whereas such action is in violation of the order of the undersigned White Order dated 13th of May, wherein it is clearly directed that no third party interference in the management of affairs of the Maukar Presbyterian Church is allowed till completion of the inquiry. Now, my lord, religious ceremony, my lord, is got nothing to do with the management. Even the first order passed by the DC in March, my lord, was that church service should not be affected. So it cannot be a violation, my lord.
So one thing, the service can't continue without the blessings of being affiliated.
No, my lord.
What is
the sacrament
now? Because technically you're still with Sepni, right?
Yes, my lord. No, my lord. We have
is there anything to show that you're dissociated from them now?
We have written to them. We have written to them.
I mean, that's on record. It doesn't need any
no, my lord.
From their part.
No, my lord.
It does. It is a one way.
Just a moment.
Yes.
No, my lord. It does not. It does not. And what has been cited in this impugned order, that the constitution of the PCI provides, my lord, that a consent has to be taken from the the previous affiliated synod. That is also incorrect because, my lord, firstly, PCI is a society. The constitution of the society does not bind us. Number 2, my lord, this provision is not even there in the constitution. And all we are seeking for is, my lord, that let our members, my lord, be administered with the sacrament, my lord. Sacrament can only be administered.
That's not a problem, but the thing is that
That's my only prayer.
the only thing that it should not create.
No, my
See,
lord.
the thing is that it should not create a situation where
No, my lord.
you know, exactly what the DC has said. They know no third party interest should be created.
Management.
Management.
No problem. No problem, my lord. We only want this Sunday, my lord, on the 28th, that sacrament may be permitted to be administered to the members of the church, my lord, which is a sacred right, my lord.
Yes, and what is the role of the private respondents?
They are the complainants, my lord.
Well, what happens is what my learned friend did not point out is, Lordships, I'll go to the basic fundamentals for my personal understanding. Your Lordships would understand these churches, these local churches are individual units of a certain church.
Right.
Like we have the Roman Catholic Church, you have the Presbyterian Church of India.
Yes, we understand.
So, if I am to be a Presbyterian Church of India, what my learned friend submitted, that I do not need to be under that particular church, it is fundamental that you have to be a under the Presbyterian Church of India, to have a local church. Now, under the constitution of the PCI, there are these 5 courts. So there's the General Assembly right on top, then we have the Synod, then we have the Pastorate, then we Presbytery, sorry. Below that, we have the district, and then the local church. So, we are the people who have been appointed by the constitution also provides, that in case there's a dispute between 2 parties regarding a local church, it has to be adjudicated by the presbytery. Now, we are the people who have been appointed by the presbytery, as the actual people who are to run the affairs of the church. That's the issue. If my friend can just give me a copy, I'll try and assist your Lordships. And the other issue, is what my friend is saying, your Lordships will kindly appreciate. If, my lords, I am to act as a pastor, my lords, to deliver sacrament, I must be ordained. I must have the authority to deliver something. I'm sorry to take this example. If, my lords, I am not, if I am not a counsel, my lords, can I, if I do not hold a degree in law, if I'm not registered with the bar council, or for some reason, my lords, my license is suspended.
If you're defrocked, you can't, you can't.
My lords, can I do that? I ask this question to myself.
That is why, my lord, Mingi is sending a pastor, my lord.
So therefore, the second question,
the pastor who's been defrocked,
therefore the second question.
Should be concerned for the members, my lord.
Unordained, whether he do we don't conduct.
No, my lord. The Mingi will send, my lord.
No, my lord, they cannot.
No, that second question will come now.
They cannot. Does he want the members to be to have?
Listen.
Yes,
listen. The thing is that now we have dissociated ourselves from Sepni, right? Now, does it require for them to consent to that?
Yes, my lords, because you are under the church.
Allow yourself to dissociate.
Your Lordship's the order of the DC.
Not required, my lord.
Your Lordship may kindly look at.
That's the only question.
If majority of the members of the church, my lord, have decided to, my lord, de-affiliate from a certain synod, he's not for the synod, my lord, have agreed, my lord, we can, and we have issued that letter, we have informed the PCI also. It's all on record, my lord. All on record. Now, there are a small fraction who are creating this trouble, my lord. They don't want that the members of the church.
That they are the 3 people who've been nominated by the presbytery to look into the matter.
Well, we are the people who are coming under the church. Otherwise, I have no authority. As an individual, I have nothing.
They are hardly 100 people. They're conducting
these will not do. Your Lordships may kindly just look at the order of the Deputy Commissioner.
Look, all we want.
There was a
sacrament on
communication.
See, we don't want the orders of this court to create any more confusion.
No,
that's the only thing.
It is,
my lord can dispose of.
Any others are to come, Mr. Nomri. It'll be at least you pour some oil on your.
Yes, my lord. To resolve, we are ready. We are ready, my lord.
May I make this suggestion?
That it should be like.
No, we are ready to resolve. All I'm saying is, my lord, this writ petition can be disposed of.
Let neither of the parties do it. Since it is the Presbyterian Church of India, let the presbytery do it. Matter ends. Neither them, neither me.
That is why Sepni, my lord, is willing to help, my lord. What is the problem?
You don't get to choose.
Mingi is ready to.
You don't get to choose. Let the church decide who's going to do it.
We are the church. We are the majority.
We'll pass orders tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
But is it possible that you can resolve it by today?
Well, there is.
Look, they are the troublemongers.
Well, the difficulty is this.
See,
we are ready.
If you start on that, Mr. Norman, then the question has to be given. Then there will be no resolution.
Well, we are ready to talk, my lord. We are ready to talk.
only issue, your lordships would have seen, matters of God, my lords, are now being decided in courts. That's
We don't see Mr. Paul when he asked for urgent listing today. Also, I said if it concerns the court touching in management,
no,
we will not entertain it.
I will
But
never
if it
press
concerns
that.
only if you have come against by a writ, if any of your rights have been violated in any way. 25, 26, then that is the only thing.
That's the only thing, my lord.
That's a question I was.
I'm saying the writ petition can be disposed.
That's the only thing. That's the only thing the court will look at.
Yes, my lord. That's all, my lord. I know my limitations, my lord.
I was posing a question to myself yesterday when the matter was being explained to me. That lordships, delivering of sacrament, it's a twofold issue. One, my lords, the right of a worshipper to receive the sacrament. And my lords, second, the right of a pastor or somebody in the management of the church, my lords, to deliver the sacrament. The question is, my lords, what is a religious right? Is delivering a religious right or receiving a religious right? Receiving, yes. Delivering, no. So my learned friend would also have to get past that, my lords.
He's trying to complicate.
I am not trying to complicate.
He's trying to complicate things.
That is a legal issue.
Yes,
yeah. So that's out of the for the time being. But is there a possibility of you sitting down and talking it over?
Well, we are open to sitting, Lord.
Then
we are open to sitting.
Let them go to the pastorate, my lords. The constitution, presbytery, the constitution of the church provides, my lords, if there's a dispute, go before the presbytery. They will resolve the issue.
Keeping aside other differences, you can, you agitate.
But we have already left.
Regarding only with regard to the eminent, like the Sunday's function. Otherwise,
Milord, Mini is ready to help us, Milord. What is the problem?
Well, the problem is this.
Even they should think for the believers, Milord.
My friend is asking the question, Milord, what is the problem? The problem is, Milord, your lordships are, I'll just again break it down, Milord, because I had to understand it like this. Your lordships are exercising, my lords, powers of superintendence over all districts in Meghalaya.
Yeah.
Let's break it down like this, my lords. High Court, the various districts, my lords, these are the various synods. Now, I choose, my lords, simply because I don't like East Khasi Hills district, my lords, I say, oh, very well, I'll not be in East Khasi Hills district, I will go to West Khasi Hills district.
Wrong example, Milord.
And
there is no boundary jurisdiction, Milord.
That is the exact
There is no boundary jurisdiction, Milord.
Your lordships will kindly see what is the, my lords, what was the report of the General Council, my lords, to the Deputy Commissioner. What does the church say? I'll just read out one line, my lords. As per this is, my lords, what was my learned friend was reading the order of the Deputy Commissioner dated 19th of June. Deputy Commissioner writes to the church saying that what can be done.
I'm the church.
My friend is not understanding. He's the local unit of the church. The church, my lords, there's one Roman Catholic church, there's one Presbyterian church.
It's totally different, Milord. Roman Catholic and Presbyterian is totally different structure.
I know.
Yes.
Your lordships may kindly see, as per the communication received from the moderator, my lords, he is the highest authority of the Presbyterian Church of India.
No.
My lords, PCI, no synod has the authority to validly provide.
Yes.
No, I'll just read this first. No synod has the authority to validly provide pastoral care or ministerial services to a church that falls outside its defined geographical and administrative jurisdiction. The specific duties of the synod are explicitly laid down in Chapter 2, Article D, Clause 7 of the Constitution of the PCI.
This is the Constitution of the PCI, my lord. Kindly show from here. This is the Constitution, my lord. They're citing the Constitution. Kindly show.
Don't get your tempers up. Just we're trying to resolve something.
I will only pray, my lords. My friend, let him give us a copy. They can go to the presbytery, my lords. If they cannot resolve the issue, your lordships will pass an order tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, sir. You take down the caveat.
Your lordships may record my statement, my lords. That
my prayer is very limited. But repetition can be disposed of also.
Okay to go to
dispose of tomorrow. But
yes,
the thing is that, see, one thing, Mr. Philemon, we don't want orders come from the court. That's the only thing. We want to limit interference to the barest minimum only if it's absolutely necessary. But these matters are better if they are resolved.
Correct.
That's the only thing. Like if they come down a bit and you also you be more.
But we are thinking for our members. They should think. They should also think.
I don't think the PCI has been made a party to these proceedings. They are the main party.
Well, PCI is a society.
Well, they are now claiming that we don't need to be under PCI. I'm an independent.
We were formed in 1871, my lord.
Fine. You understand. 150 years ago.
Yes, my lord.
We know
PCI came
that.
much later on, my lord.
See, the thing we know that, I mean, we know, like,
I
thing is
I'll
that
respond
only
to
one question now, which has just read out. So now this Mingi is in Jowai, right?
Yes, my lord.
It's headquartered in Jowai.
Headquartered.
And then Sebngi is in Mission Compound here.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
So now, is such thing ever happened before?
Never.
Anywhere where
Yes, my lord. Yes,
you
yes, my
seek
lord.
beyond the
Yes, my
geographical,
lord.
territorial,
Yes,
you seek
No, there's no territorial boundary, my lord. There's no territorial boundary. Because even the other Limekra and all, my lord, they are in the Padang.
I
Though
would
within
only
Shillong,
pray
they are in Padang.
your lordship,
Synod Padang, my lord.
PCI
And there is a
should
Synod
be
Bhoi.
party.
There are 4 Synods, my lord.
Let PCI come before your lordships and
Malki?
clarify the situation. What I say
Malki is in Mingi, my lord.
important.
Okay, say that. Okay.
Let PCI come before your lordships.
Take down this caveat, no, caveat number 55 is also. The caveat. Mr. K. Paul, Legislative Council, with the Mr. Sindram is present on behalf of the caveators. Only one caveator, right?
No, it's one. Sole caveator. But I'm also instructed to appear on respondent.
Yes, who's been arrayed as, respondent number 7 in the petition. Of the caveat upon stands discharge. So then in the main repetition, heard Mr. Philemon Nongri issue notice. Mr. Shula, you are appearing for
1 to 4, your lordship.
You have any submissions to make?
Let me make the submission tomorrow, your lordship.
Why?
Since both
top secret, yes.
Lordship.
Yes, but the Shula is with the MSZE Nongri.
Lordship
is present, and such no further notice required for 1 to 3. 1 to 4. Stop. Mr. K. Paul, who is present, have the caveator. Respondent number 7 will also be representing respondents numbers 5 and 6. As such, no further no such required respondents. Stop. The matter in question, or the writ petitioners. Is one petitioner how many?
2 petitioners.
Are here before by we represented petition sealing the order dated.
Almost all the orders issued by the Deputy Commissioner, your lordship.
As in series of orders issued by the Deputy Commissioner in connection with matters arisen with regard to certain affairs, but to certain. Where's the first order? Where's the first order you showed, Mr. Nombri, that regarding the
12th of March. The minutes of the meeting, Lord. 78.
Wherein certain matters, wherein directions have been issued pursuant to a meeting. All were present at that meeting.
Lordship, yes.
Both parties.
Both parties were present.
Wherein the parties today were present. Stop. Mr. Fremont subject that after the directions were issued and due to certain developments, the services as scheduled at the end of the quarter, that is the
28th.
That is just a page.
Last page.
No, the
page 119.
Yes, the baptism sacrament will be jeopardized unless some interventions there by this court stop. Next para, Mr. K. Police Council, on behalf of the respondent 567, has ever counted the submission and prays that the matter be taken up tomorrow. For further consideration. Stop.
And also that PCAB made a party, Millet, because it's ultimately
the council submitted that the Presbyterian Council of India,
Presbyterian Church of India,
is a necessary party to have to maybe implemented. Should we have any objection to implementing them at the court mode?
We'll see tomorrow, Millet. We'll see tomorrow.
There will be no resolution without the
matter will be considered. Stop with the party may be implemented as a Presbyterian Church of India, being necessary party may be implemented. Stop. This court has heard and counsels on a preliminary heard counsels for the parties as the matter concerns. What do you call it? It's not called a ritual. Also, it's a religious.
It's religious affairs, Your Lordship.
No.
It's
for the sacrament. For the
Sacrament.
It's a sacred right, my lord. Sacred right. That's the
concerns
word.
a sacred practice and rite which is performed on the said day. Perhaps at this stage, perhaps it would be more expedient if the parties have what can we say? Will you meet today?
We are ready to go to the presbytery. I have no problem.
Yes.
Let them come.
If the parties sit down and try to resolve the matter at their level at this stage itself. Mr. K. Paul, on behalf of respondents 5, 6, and 7, submits that they have the respondents 5 have no issue with going before the presbytery, yes, to try and resolve the matter.
Presbytery is one of the courts of the bodies.
Accordingly, post is married tomorrow to await any development.
My lord, deeply obliged.
We don't want to pass orders. It can be resolved.
Unnecessarily complicate, either way will then go to.
But the problem is that DC has passed the order. That's the problem, my lord.
DC is order very innocuous.
I'll make a submission on that.
That's very innocuous. It's the only thing is that what has arisen after the other development, because you're trying you anyway.
DC actually doesn't say anything.
Yes, it's innocuous.
I'll make a submission.
Yes. Yes.
Daily list item number 1.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we'll pass orders. Yes. They will receive. We receive the consent. The consent of the proposed arbiters will receive. We'll pass orders.
Please, number 2.
Yes.
2.
Yes, MS is Dhar. Why you asked the German last time?
Lordship, we are ready with the hearing, Lordship.
So hearing today is not for hearing.
Admission hearing.
Where's
Admission hearing.
Where's Mr.
Let the petitioner start, Lordship.
Where's Mr. Sen?
It's just, he's on legs, Lordship. He's on legs, Lordship.
He's retired now, Mrs. Day.
Yes, he is retired. Before the 4 days of my retirement, they have initiated the DP against me, my lord. Well, my lord has passed an order, my lord, that initiative to be taken up to dispose of the matter today, my lord. But if Mr. Sen has some difficulty, my lord, can this matter be taken up on Wednesday, my lord? So physically it can be argued, my lord.
Okay. Yes, on the period of the parties, this matter appear after 1 week, yes. Next Wednesday.
It will be on Wednesday, my lord. Highly advised.
Wednesday is 1st. Oh, yeah. I would not post any matters for 2nd and 3rd, but this court won't be there.
Item number 3.
Yes, you obtained this. You have not been paying.
We are paying.
Then she took her account statement that no account been credited, no amount been credited. Or you showing a different account?
No, Lordship, that's the same account only, Lordship.
Lordship, the maintenance and the alimony has been deducted directly from the Treasury Department, Your Lordship. That's why it is not reflected in the bank account, Your Lordship.
Then how is it given to her?
It's there, Lordship.
Should be credited to her account. Direct, yes. How is that? You see?
Ask for my information, Lordship.
You see this. Give a copy. Your name is Lal Good, right?
Yes, Lordship.
Then see out here written beneficiary name, so and so, American out of Apex Bank, UI, amount, mode of payment direct, recovery time, interim maintenance. 10,000, 3,000, 5,000. See?
I'll seek instructions, Lordship.
Your Lordship.
Then why do you produce accounts? Last time you said there no one been credited.
Yes, Lordship. As per that account, Lordship, it is not reflected.
Your Lordship, and recently, Your Lordship, the respondent has been appointed as the sanitary officer, Your Lordship, in the municipal.
So you got double employment now also.
I have no instructions, Lordship.
See,
And
but your
she
client
will
should not conceal it from you.
She will join the office soon, Your Lordship.
Oh, you came first in the section also.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No, she's been selected, recommended for appointment. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. We inquire the office and they are prepared for the appointment order, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, one more difficulty is, Your Lordship, recently the younger brother of the appellant, he is diagnosed with kidney failure, Your Lordship. So he might be one of the donor, Your
You
Lordship.
pay the maintenance only, but then you see, take down today MS Pajo, her counsel for the appellant, right, has produced extract issued by the Treasury Office of Jowai District Treasury, which shows that the amount of maintenance every month amounting to with arrears, correct? That is, every month you're getting
10,000, Your Lordship.
10 plus 3, that means 18,000.
3,000 is the alimony, Your Lordship. 3 and 5 is the alimony, Your Lordship.
So she's getting 18,000.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Which shows that the amount of 18,100 has been directly credited to the respondent. So, this is not understood as to under what instructions on the last date it has been submitted on behalf of the respondent that the amount was not credited. So a copy of the extract payment schedule is made over to the up to May 26 he is receiving.
Yes,
The
Lordship.
last page. Then pen and light will stop that cost.
Your Lordship, allow me to take instructions.
You got
Lordship.
employment also. You're getting 18,000 a month maintenance plus arrears. He's left with only 200 rupees per month.
Allow me last
Your Lordship,
this an
because,
opportunity, Lordship.
Because the deduction is, if it continues, Your Lordship.
That we take it out after 1 week. Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
This is Wednesday next week to allow. But you have to take your client to task. She cannot conceal.
Yes,
she has
Lordship.
concealed it from you.
Yes,
You are
Lordship.
legally counsel? Yeah, no.
No, Lordship.
Copy of the payment schedule is taken on board and made part of the record. It's also submitted by MT Paju that the respondent's been selected as sanitary
Lordship,
inspector.
If the matter may come on Monday, Your Lordship.
Okay, let matter come on Monday. Take instruction.
Much obliged, Lordship.
You cannot, man's already down, you can't beat him, he's like into.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Lordship. See, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time to file rejoinder, Lordship.
You're for respondent number?
I'm for petitioner, Lordship.
What for please, sorry. Yes, Mr.
FL Khar, Lordship.
Yes, please for the allowed 2 weeks time file rejoinder after 5 response 1, 2 and 3. Or 4.
All the respondent, Lordship.
5.
Please, Your Lordship. In this matter, I'm praying for some more time, Lordship, to file an affidavit.
No objection.
Yes, for the 2 weeks time or 3 weeks time?
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time, yes. That's only, concession given to you in India to for a time to communicate extra week, yes.
6. Kindly oblige.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship? My Lord, I have filed a rejoinder today, my Lord.
Matter can come up for hearing, Lordship.
Office
Yes.
already served.
Party submitted pleadings are complete. This is a matter of hearing when? After?
After 2 weeks, my Lord.
Yes.
7.
My Lord.
Please, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Khan.
Sometimes required, Lordship, for rejoinder. Just 2 weeks' time will be granted, Lordship.
You only played last time, which is the second time.
Second time, Lordship. Just 2
Yes,
weeks.
Mr. Pandey.
No objection, Lordship. We have already filed the affidavit, Lordship.
No, all are filed.
For only state and
Filed.
Respondent number 3, NHIDCL, has already filed, Lordship.
Already filed.
Already filed.
Number 1 will be filing. Year 1. What about 4 and 5?
4 and 5 file. They file state, Lordship.
You file. 6? Okay. Further 2 weeks time. Pay a lot for rejoinders.
Interim order, Lordship.
Interim order you enjoying? Okay.
Yes, 2 weeks' time will be given, Lordship.
We didn't review it last time.
Inadvertently, Lordship, on the last occasion we had
Then we will make a fresh application. Anyway, interim order of any that will stand revive and due till next date.
8.
Deeply obliged.
Deeply obliged. You have to be careful. Otherwise, any other court, you have to make a fresh application.
Obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, the counter is ready. However, I require 1 week time to obtain the signature of the deponent.
Where is the deponent?
The deponent is apparently having some personal difficulty, Your Lordship. Some briefman is.
Why he's staying abroad?
Oh, it's on briefman, Your Lordship.
Your correspondent number 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
I have a similar prayer, Lordship. The affidavit is ready. It's
Yes.
for approval and
Further 2 weeks time as allowed for affidavits by respondents. Just thereafter. Any interim order?
No, madam.
9.
Obliged, Lordship.
Okay, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship will already file an affidavit.
Lordship, I am praying 2 more weeks time to file my rejoinder, Lordship. Respondent.
1 second. Have you obtained the father's name?
No, Lordship, I don't know father's name and
mother's name.
Mother's name also, Lordship.
Then?
But I have taken fresh step, Lordship.
How do you first step you do it? Because there, why in this place there are many people with the same name? That's what I said last time, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then?
I have tried to obtain father's name and mother's name also, Lordship, but I didn't get.
So you should notice all the people who have the same names in that village. You've taken fresh steps. 105. Yes. Yes, Mr. Emran Marak submits that fresh steps have since been taken on respondent number 5. You file affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, he also prays for further 2 weeks time by the jointer. Praise allowed. This up to 2 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged.
10.
My lords, item number 10 to 20, these are all analogous matter. They are supposed to file an affidavit in oppositions. Today we have received a copy of 5 affidavits, my lord, out of 10.
Your Lordship, in items number 10, 13, 16, 17 and 18, we are filing the affidavits, Your Lordship, today. However, in the other matters, Your Lordship, I'm praying for some more time.
See, just give the WC numbers.
Your Lordship.
That's the WC number. We are filing in which one?
WPC 58 of 2026.
Yes.
WPC 63 of 2026. That is item 13, Your Lordship.
Yes.
WPC 66 of 2026.
Yes.
WPC 72 of 2026. And WPC 73 of 2026, Your Lordship.
You filed 5.
Yes, Your
Note
Lordship.
down the numbers. Yes. MSRE the country submits that in disconnected matters, the affidavit has been filed in the following dead petitions. It pays for about 2 weeks for that time to put an affidavit in the other remaining connected matters. Just up to 2 weeks.
My lord.
Obliged, Your
Much
Lordship.
obliged.
You filed the journal thereafter.
Yes, my lord, after that.
21.
There has been some development in this matter. I was just instructed about this last evening. The petitioners proposed a settlement between all the parties. So I would have to pray for some time. In case there is a settlement arrived at between all the parties, the matter would be infructuous.
Mr. J. Shirathon enjoying the conducting the tours now also?
I don't know, it's by the state.
No. Who's conducting the...
Lordship, there was an order which Lordship had passed. The state has taken over.
Yes.
They also introduced an interim policy.
Yes, Mr. S. and they're correct. There's some settlement proposed.
Recently, the DC invited us for a meeting on 16 June 2026, my lord.
16
so of? Meeting, the DC of West Genti Hills, my lord. They have invited us on a meeting on 16 June, my lord, on the 17th June, my lord. And there was some proposal for settlement, but the parties have, especially the petitioner and the responding village, my lord, they have to take some steps.
Who's one village?
We have, I am appearing, we'll just see the cost title. I'm appearing for 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are
Yes.
two villages involved here.
Yes.
One is the Shkenpersit village.
Yes.
And respond number 10 is the Shkentalang village.
Yes.
So there is a proposal for a settlement. So we're just examining the draft.
Yes.
Agreement has been shared.
What instructions do you have?
Your Lordship, let the respondent number 7 file the affidavit. Let the respondent number 7 to 10 file the affidavit.
No, the term of settlement. Any instructions do you have?
No, Your Lordship.
Where's Mr. Pasanthio?
Your Lordship.
Where's your senior?
Mr. Nomri
You have
is
to
aware.
say-
I spoke to him this morning. He's aware of it.
Who's appearing?
Mr.
Nomri. Yep, we are aware of settlement.
No, Your Lordship. I think my senior. I'll seek instruction, Your Lordship.
No.
I spoke to Mr. Philemon.
Lordship,
He's aware
in
of that.
fact that proposal for settlement of the dispute has been taken on 17 June 2026, Your Lordship.
Where's that proposal?
If I may please, Your Lordship.
At least assess the court. Yes. Ball statement is very difficult. You just.
Lordship,
And
can
then
we?
next time, what happens always is settlement, and then next time there was never any talk of settlement.
Last evening we received a draft settlement.
Lordship, kindly have that minutes, Your Lordship, of the District Tourism Promotion Society.
Yes.
If Lordship, kindly have a clause 6. Next page, Your Lordship. If I may read it, Your Lordship. The chair clarified that in compliance with the direction of the Honorable High Court, the District Tourism Promotion shall identify, regulate and take charge of tourist movement and regulated tourism activities until further order as issued by the court. She urged all village authorities and stakeholders to arrive at a mutually acceptable consensus, emphasizing that no authority should impede the inflow of tourists to the area. It was further informed that the matter is scheduled for review by the Honorable High Court. According, all parties were requested to make sincere effort to reach an amicable settlement prior to the review date.
This is neither here nor there.
So in fact, my client has received a draft agreement. They're examining it. They've not yet
Given by the
signed it.
petitioner.
What do you read?
Mr. Nomri, you have what instructions do you have?
Look, they filed an affidavit yesterday.
No, you see this one.
I haven't seen this.
You're present in the meeting.
Yes, Your Lordship, you are present. Your Lordship, the signatories.
Well, my instructions are that
he is at serial number 15, Your Lordship.
The parties are trying to reconcile, sit and reconcile.
So you
Let
had
it
this
be
meeting
deferred.
also?
Yes, my lord. Yes.
So anyway, take down. It appears that in the matter, efforts are on to settle differences between the parties. To this effect, Mr. N.D. Shulai has produced the minutes of a meeting held on 17 June 2026 in the office of the Deputy Commissioner and Chairperson, District Promotion Society, bracket DTPS, full bracket, West Genti District. In view of this development and steps taken by the District Tourism
Promotion Society.
District Tourism Promotion Society, when should we have the matter then?
Will come after 4 weeks then, Your Lordship.
No, let it come for 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. The parties the parties to
inform your lordship.
To inform.
Instructions.
No. Yes. The parties to attempt to reach settlement before the next year. Yes.
Apply your lordship.
22.
Please, Lordship. So this is the matter where we were challenging the appointment of the CVO, my lord. Taken some time to file the affidavit. It's a very short issue.
Have you have not pleaded the?
We have, my lord. A separate miscase was filed and that was allowed on 17 June, my lord.
So you do 1 second.
That was miscase 180. Allowing the implementation of the registrar.
Who's appearing? You're appearing. Where's Esdar? Where are you appearing? Mr. Sen's not here today.
Yeah. Hearing.
Your name, sorry again?
Aslamat.
Yes, Aslamat. Different name, yes. Ms. Alamat, Mr. Aslamat submits that the newly added respondent number 6 shall be represented by Mr. Sen along with Mr. Sen here, Sen. And you pray for?
For 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
He prays for and allow 2 weeks time to file affidavit on behalf of number 6. Yes.
Obliged. Whether the other respondents, my lord. Number 3 is appearing separately.
Who are you?
She is the person appointed.
You file affidavit. Similar prayer by also. And okay.
Union.
23.
Yes. Published.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in item 23 and 24, I'm seeking some more time, Your Lordship, to file an affidavit.
What about the salary?
Not yet released, Your Lordship.
Your
What
Lordship,
instructions do you have?
Your Lordship, the instructions with regard to salary is that, Your Lordship, there was no extension order given to them, Your Lordship.
No, they said that the respective orders of this court.
That came later, Your Lordship. But when they were asked to participate in the recruitment process, Your Lordship, at that time, there was no extension order given to them, Your Lordship, and they were not
How many
protected by
months
the
of
orders
salary?
of the court.
Since July 2024, Your Lordship.
We'll place it on affidavit, Your Lordship.
You file it urgently. Yes, MS very non-convenient for respondent 1 to 5 submits that the salary was stopped due to the fact that there was no extension of services and the orders of the court came subsequently. In this view, the matter directed that the affidavit be filed urgently before the period of 1 week,
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Interim order may continue, Your Lordship.
10 days. Interim order finished only. What is your role, Mr. Kiram? You'll file affidavit? Yes.
Highly obliged,
Obliged,
Lordship.
Your Lordship.
25.
Your Lordship, I'm seeking some more time for respondents 1 to 5.
Please, Your Lordship, I'm entering appearance on behalf of respondent number 6.
6 is whom?
Your Lordship, please for one a promotion has been challenged, Your Lordship.
Private respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, MS Alimony attended appearance today on behalf of the respondent number 6 that includes complete all the parties. He prays for is allowed 2 weeks time for affidavits. MS Alimony, yes. For state respondents
1 to 5.
similar prayer. This allowed 2 weeks affidavits.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
26.
Your Lordship, here we're awaiting instructions. I'm seeking some more time.
Objection, Your Lordship.
Yes, that's great for the 2 weeks time allowed for affidavit instructions. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
27.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, you have already taken the steps.
Yes.
You have already taken the steps to respond number 2, Lordship.
Yes, office note indicates that steps not yet complete on spot number 2. What about state?
Your Lordship, we're awaiting instructions.
Yes, MS that is going to behalf of respondents number 1 only.
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Yes, Lordship. You have
Please
taken the
for the
steps for
Lord further 2
respondent
weeks
2.
time to obtain. No, only 1. 1 and file affidavit, yes. This is regarding the amount money.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. You want to take steps by personal service on the bank.
Yes, Lordship.
What's your name?
T.S. Sangma, Lordship.
Yes.
T.S. Sangma.
Yes, MS so and so for the petitioner further praise that she will allow to affect personal service on the respondent number 2. Praise allowed. Yes.
28.
Your Honor. Your Honor, there's been a development in this case. A second notice was issued and the bank has defreezed the account but kept a lien on an amount of 15,80,000. It's not in the petition notice. Your Honor, here as well, I'm not informed of the sections under which the charges have been framed.
You are undertaken to visit the office and provide details. Then
My lord, my client refuses to have made such an undertaking.
yes, we have to cooperate with whatever investigation is there if you want.
That is there, my lords, but
Yes.
the notice, my lords, have a look at
So
the
where did you
notice.
get this from?
The client sent it across. He got it from the bank when he went to serve the petition on the bank.
You who's paying for the bank?
There's no one here.
Notice still complete.
My lords, it is complete. I'll file the
Then?
affidavit of service, but it's complete, my lords.
MSS Sham, Learned Counsel with the police submits that though the account of the petitioner has been defreezed and only the lien amount
Of 15,80,000.
15,80,000 has been withheld. So he submits that he prays that allowed to obtain series of service on the respondent number 1. Observe. Come.
They can't have 8.
Yes, and to file affidavit of service just after 2 weeks.
Great.
Otherwise, yes.
Supplementary 1, item number 1.
Please, minutes. Well, it's limited issue involved here is, well, it's I am the secretary.
You serve KJDC?
Yes, minutes we have.
I've not received a copy of the written NIDA instructions, Your Lordship.
Copy has been served yesterday. Well, it's not really against the district council. This is a very limited issue. Your Lordship will just examine it. Well, it's under the Shella Confederacy, as your Lordships would have been aware, there are these two positions. One is of the secretary of the Shnong of Shella village. That's below the post of Wadadar, as your Lordships are indicating. Wadadar will be in respect of the entire confederacy. In respect of individual villages, there is this headman and there is the secretary. Secretary is the person who's otherwise in charge of running the entire affairs of the village.
CEO.
Yes, headman unlike rest of Meghalaya he is only the head of the village court. Now, I'll take your Lordship's to two pleadings. We've reproduced it. If my lords kindly have page 11. So two articles. One is article 16
and Article 29, my lords. These are the two articles that are relevant for our purposes. Article 29, my lords, I'll take your lordship straight to. This is at page 11, my lords.
Yes.
Powers and functions of the headman and members of the village council, village court. The headman shall be the chairman of the village court. The headman, together with the members of the village court, shall perform the judicial functions in matters falling within the jurisdiction of the village court. The headman has the authority to issue permanent residence certificates to the permanent residents of Shela. The headman shall not issue no objection certificates for so-and-so for other establishments that require so-and-so. Well, it's not relevant. I'll skip all this. So only to demonstrate, Malaj, that the headman is the chief of the village court, Malaj. He is the chairperson. He has no other role. All other Malaj roles are by the secretary, Malaj. Now, what has happened? We are sailing before your lordships, page 28. If my lords kindly have a look, page 28. This is dated the 22nd of June 2026, my lords.
Yes.
It says, this is to notify to all residents of Shela village with a heavy heart and a deep sense of responsibility towards the village. I have witnessed a series of unfortunate and distressing developments that have caused concern among the villagers, especially the youth who are the future of our village. These concerns arise from the manner in which the secretary of the Dorbar Shnong, Shela, has been conducting the affairs of the Dorbar in an authoritarian manner, particularly during the two meetings of the Dorbar Adong Shnong held on 22/5/2026 and 19/6/2026. These incidents have caused great disappointment to many elders and members of the public and have, most importantly, led to division and discord within the village. In view of these developments, I, as the headman and the traditional head of the village, have the authority to convene and invite all the residents of the village. I therefore earnestly request the elders and youth who are concerned about the welfare of our village to kindly spare some time and attend a public meeting which I have convened on so-and-so and the Dorbar so-and-so hall. The purpose of this meeting is to deliberate together, exchange views and explore ways and means to restore peace, harmony and unity within the village. We are saying, village, that the headman does not have the authority
to remove you,
to do anything in connection with
against you.
Yes,
remove you
village.
from
Yes,
office.
village. I am the secretary. Because the roles are very specifically defined, Millets. As a matter of fact, Millets, on an earlier occasion, they had done something before the district council. Millets, district council also informed the same thing. If I may just draw your lordship's attention to page 23.
Yes.
They had filed a complaint, Millets, before the executive member in charge. Millets, district council responded, Millets. I am directed to inform you that the appeal number so-and-so had been received and placed before the executive committee. So the appeal states that the meeting which you have scheduled on so-and-so for the purpose of electing acting secretary and members of the Shela village Dorbar is allowed to proceed. It's likely to result in so-and-so, so-and-so. There has already been informed that the appellants and the matter relating secretary of village Dorbar does not fall within the jurisdiction of this office, since the secretary Shela village was not appointed by this office. Accordingly, the appellants have been advised to approach the office of the acting Wadadar directly so that matters relating to the above issue may be resolved over there. So if anything, Malaj, they have to go before the acting Wadadar or the Wahadar, whoever is Malaj holding the post.
So even then, challenging the authority also, we should go to acting Wahadar.
No, Malaj, I cannot, because Malaj, headman is again not appointed by the Wahadar. Headman, Malaj, is by the district council. Because these are two independent wings, Malaj, as your lordships are aware. Well, at this stage, I will only pray your lordship may issue notice, let them appear before your lordship, and until then, these meetings should be kept in abeyance.
I am just instructed to make a mention on behalf of, I believe, the secretary of Solap Umdom Mauport has been made a party.
No.
Not a party.
Who?
Just only that headman.
Correct. The headman, I believe there is a suit which is pending before the district council court, and Mr. Billang Nongri is appearing in that. Against that, an appeal has also been preferred. There are some other facts. If your lordship's direct, this may be supplied to me. I'll take instructions, and this may come up in the second half or tomorrow.
Let come up tomorrow morning, Malaj. I don't have any difficulty else. My instructions are, Malaj, that there is nothing. We are only concerned with this limited issue.
So I'll just obtain instructions, Malaj, in the meantime. I'll supply a copy.
With regard to that issue, Malaj, what my friend is saying, that is with regard to that Wadadar issue. So that, Malaj, we are not touching. I'll supply a copy. Let my friends receive instructions.
I'll come back with instructions.
What instructions do you have?
For the headman, Malaj. I'll be appearing for the headman.
So my friend will be appearing for the respondent.
That is fine. Then heard Mr. K. Paul and the council petitioner issue notice. MSPS Nongri action on behalf of? On behalf of?
One, Malaj.
One. And 2 is?
2 and 3 matter. 2 is the.
Who's this Vadadar?
Balance 2 is the Vadadar.
Who's appearing here? You beat except notes on this behalf?
No, it's
3.
only for.
I think my friend will be for 3 minutes. 3.
Sarubai. Yes. Mr. Sen is present except on behalf of number 3. No further notice on these respondents. Notice issued respondent number 2. Mr. K. Paul and State Council submits the deliberate issue here is only with the authority of the respondent number 3 to issue the impugn notice calling for a meeting with regard to it's a very general meeting.
He says public meeting, Milits. That's what he says.
To convene a public meeting to discuss the affairs of the village. Inasmuch as he submits the role of the headman is only limited to chairing the village court. So, and if Mr. SN, however, prays that the matter be taken up
Tomorrow,
will
I'll take instructions.
Similar prayer made by MSP Nongri. What's number 1? This matter tomorrow.
I'll send a copy on my friend.
Hearing 30.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this matter pertains to the bifurcation of a village in Ribhoi district, namely from the parent village called Minsang, a village called Lumsentung, which is a locality of Minsang village, was carved out of it.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, the facts of the case is that in the year 2012, the same of Milliam in Dorbar recommended the bifurcation of the village on the recommendation of the then headman of Minsang village. Lordship,
in the year 1998?
2010, Lordship.
Then you synopsis to 1998?
98 is a different matter, Lordship. In 98, that was without an official bifurcation, Lordship. The official bifurcation happened in the year 2010, which was officially bifurcated by the same on the recommendation of the then headman. Now, Lordship, the writ petitioner is aggrieved by the order dated 16/12/2013, which is at page number 47. If I may take Lordship to page number 47, annexure 1, annexure 4. The operative part is at page 49.
Annexure
47, Lordship.
Annexure 47?
No, Lordship. Page number 47.
Annexure 7.
Yes, Lordship. The operative part is at page 49.
Yes.
If I may read, Lordship, it is 1, 2, 3. It is 4 lines down from the first paragraph towards the end. The EC, though not having a clear clarity whether section 3(1) of the Act of 91 was complied with, but undeniably Lumsentung was in existence since 98, if we are to accept the statement of the former headman of Minsang, Shri So and So Lingdor. The EC is also of the view that de-recognizing Lumsentung as a separate village at this stage will unsettle a settled issue. Hence, though there is no strong foundation to show that the same of Milliam, prior to issuance of the recommendation, has complied with the provisions of the Act of 91, yet the EC is of the view that perhaps the status of Lumsentung as a separate village should not be disturbed at this moment unless there are compelling circumstances whereby the headman of village is able to show that Lumsentung has not been functioning as a village since 98. Now, if I may be permitted to demonstrate, Lordship, the series of events which led to the culmination of this 2013 Act since the beginning.
You came to court challenging 2013 when?
2024. Yes, Lordship.
Yes. Why?
Lordship, what had happened after this order of 2013? We did not just sit idly by. We sent a series of representations all the way dating back to 2023. Asking the district council to keep in abeyance.
When was the first time you made that representation against this?
The representation was made in 2000 and the first representation was made in the year 2012. It's in the year 2013 itself, Lordship. which is at page number 60, no, 2000 and one of the representations is 2015. But prior to that, Lordship, there were numerous representations. If your Lordship would just give me a moment.
35 is your first representation.
Page 35, Lordship, and extra 5. This is dated 2012, before the issuance of the order.
No, after issuance of order.
After the issuance, Lordship, the representation which was sent.
If this order was passed in 2013 by the committee.
Yes, Lordship.
The only way of no representation is to come to the court.
Yes, Lordship. But these people were not aware of the remedies which were available to them. So they thought that perhaps preferring representations to the district council to reconsider their order was their remedy, Lordship. One of the representations is at page number 65, Lordship, and extra 10. This is a subsequent representation to the district council. Page number 65, Lordship. The translated version is.
What is your objection? Why you don't want?
Lordship, our main contentions in this writ petition is that the bifurcation was not done in accordance with law, Lordship. The mandates of Section 3 were not followed. What
about this earlier writ petition file?
Lordship, that's why, Lordship, if I may be allowed to chronologically list out the series of events which led to the impugned order of 2013. Lordship, after the CM officially bifurcated the village in 2010, the writ petitioners preferred a writ petition before the Honorable High Court in 2011, and in 2012 an order was passed which is at page number 25, which
58 or 25,
Lordship.
58 in your petition.
Lordship, page 25 is the main order. 58 is also a supplementary copy of whatever representation which I had given. Yes, Lordship.
Read it.
Yes, Lordship. So if I may take Lordship to page 25, the operative part is at the second paragraph. Page 25, Lordship. The second paragraph, Lordship, or the first paragraph, the requirements of Section 3(1) of the 91 Act, therefore, are that before issuance of a public notification forming a new village, the majority views of the people of the village or villages has to be ascertained and the subsequent approval of the EC of the District Council is to be taken. The same of Mulliam and Dorbar White Communication dated 7 December 2010 made the recommendation for a creation of a new village, namely Lomsentung village, which recommendation was accepted by the EC of the District Council White Order dated 15th December 2010, which is put to challenge in the present writ petition. Nothing could be placed before this court to ascertain as to whether the requirement of ascertaining the majority views of the people of the village or villages has been fulfilled before making the recommendation by the chief and his Dorbar on the 7th of December 2010. The said fact is required to be ascertained by the authority. The petitioner, as discussed above, has already approached the District Council White application dated 16 December 2010, opposing its decision dated 15 December 2010 on the ground of violation of the provisions of 3(1) of the 91 Act. Lordship, we are before your Lordship on the same issue. Violation of...
Maybe too late in the day.
Yes, Lordship, but then if I may be allowed to make my submissions, Lordship, as with regards to the impugned order as well. So I shall continue, Lordship. The petitioner, as discussed above, has already approached the District Council White application dated 16 December 2010, opposing its decision dating 15th December 2010 on the ground of violation of the provisions of Section 3(1) of the Act, of the 91 Act. No decision has been taken by the District Council authority on the said application filed by the petitioner. That being the position, the present writ petition is disposed of directing the EC of the District Council to reconsider its earlier decision as reflected in the communication dated 15 December 2010 and to pass necessary speaking orders within a period of 2 months from today after ascertaining whether the requirements of having the views of the majority of the people of the village or villages was ascertained by the chief and the Dorbar before issuance of the recommendation.
So after this order was passed.
Yes, Lordship. After this order was
now it says that, you see, the EC, though not having a clear clarity as to whether Section 3 on the Act was complied with, but undeniably looms and tongue since 1998, except the statement of the former headman of Minsan, the SS Lingdor. That means yourself only you said that.
Yes, Lordship.
You're the headman of Minsan, so that time since 98 you said that it existed.
Yes,
so
Lordship.
what do you want now?
The predecessor, Lordship, we are aggrieved by
what remains. You might be aggrieved, but what remains of your grievances? Can it be agitated now at this stage?
Lordship, the ground reality of things is that there is certain tensions between the locality, a few households of the locality, and the parent village, Lordship. As it is now, there is no clear indication as with regards to the boundary of this newly created village as well. Section 3 of the Act stipulates that boundaries is a must, is a precondition to bifurcate.
Then it should have come immediately after the order was passed.
Yes, Lordship. That should
the
have.
only thing that goes against is delay.
Is the latches,
Conversation will not be taken consideration. Now
yes,
the thing
Lordship.
is.
I mean, interrupt.
Yes.
Boundaries has already been clarified. Council has already passed an order to this effect. Lordship, notification was passed.
Lordship, as per Annexure 14, which is page 77, the Lingdor Raj himself has sent a representation to both the headman of Minsan village and the newly bifurcated village to come before him to resolve the boundaries as there are no clear-cut boundaries existing with Lom Sintung. There's also a representation at page number 75, Annexure 13, written by...
I'm sorry. Unless you show some, we can't settle unsettled position. How many residents, how many houses do you have?
Lordship.
How many houses are there in Lom Sintung?
In Lom Sintung village, Lordship, as per instructions that I had received, there are only about 12 to 13 households, Lordship.
That's correct. Mr. Yuban,
my Lord, I have the figures, my Lord, but I'm just, give me some time, Lord, I have the figures.
Lordship, the notification issued by this council is way back in 2022, Your Lordship, 17 August. The
22?
boundaries are clearly marked, Your
Where's
Lordship.
that? In the affidavit?
We do not file affidavit, Your Lordship, but I have here on record. Kindly permit me to bring this on by way of an affidavit.
You have to record. If that's the only issue they have, that they're trying to raise it now because of boundaries.
It's not just boundaries.
Okay, one boundary. Next, what's it, Mrs. A?
It's not just the boundaries, Lordship. It is the manner in which the bifurcation was done, Lordship. That is what
we can't. That is a lot of water under the bridge.
The second law point, Lordship, if I may take, Lordship, to page number 47, which is
any new cause of action.
There's
Lordship,
nothing.
the new cause of action arose. The cause of action arose once again in the year 2000 and in 2023 by their own saying, it is a representation sent by the Dorbar Shnong of Lom Sintung, where they have written to the headman of Minsan village to decide upon the boundary of Lom Sintung and Minsan. If Lordship may have page number 76.
Whose letter by?
The letter is by the newly bifurcated village, Lordship, by the headman of the newly bifurcated. Yes, Lordship. Page number 76. Lordship, if I may read, with reference to the subject cited above, I, the Rang Bashnong of Lom Sintung and the EC, Lom Sintung have unanimously decided to settle the boundary of the village with Minsan so as to enable us to decide the matter once and for all in a proper manner with the consensus of everyone so as to bring peace and harmony within the village. Therefore, we, Lom Sintung, wish to set a date so that we can hold talks in consultation in a manner which is cordial. So this shows that there is no clear-cut demarcation of boundary, Lordship. That is one thing. Now the second thing, Lordship, is that the second point which I would like to raise, Lordship, is the manner in which the order was also passed in the year 2013.
Who passed this one? Sent to Minsan. It's a fabricated letter.
Lordship, it cannot be a fabricated letter, Lordship.
Getting supporters from Lom village.
No, Lordship. This was signed and sealed by under the sign and seal of the Rang Bashnong and the.
And the first person is not even a Khasi, Tiken Boro.
Lordship.
The first one who signed also Tiken Boro. In his letter of yours, page 73.
Yes, Lordship. But if we look at the others, Lordship, these letters which I have annexed in my
you just show that MS Nobri. Show the what that record.
Now the second, if your lordship would just indulge me for 5 minutes, lordship. The second point on law.
You're fighting a tough battle.
Yes, lordship. The second point on law is that the way that the 2013 order was executed as well, lordship, it was only signed by one member. However, the 59 Act, the Parent Act, stipulates that.
The DNO.
Yes, lordship. Yes, lordship. But representations have been sent over and over and again, and these are continuing wrongs.
Two members should sign the order.
Yes, lordship. I place reliance on. That
judgment. That's a recent order. But the thing is that now, on ground of delay, whatever illegalities might be there, might be 3-1, might be taken consideration.
Yes, lordship.
Be boundaries. But then you've come after so long.
Yes,
and see, once, especially in matters like these, once it's settled on the ground,
yes,
like the villagers are aware that now they don't belong to Mansan village anymore.
Right,
they belong to village A, village B. Then what comes with the bifurcation of creation of villages is that you have your schemes.
Yes,
you have your whatever other government help that comes to which is specific to a village. And now if 98 has happened, so now to unsettle that, what happened to the poor residents of the village?
Lordship,
what happened to the people who are depending on for the rations and for
right,
the
lordship.
What
happens to them? Those people, the Lomsentong village still depends on its rations and schemes from the parent
They don't have
village.
schemes of their own.
No, lordship. Even this, that is why, lordship.
So they don't have any.
There was a 100-day scheme, lordship, which they had to seek permission from the parent village to implement in Lomsentong. PDS, they also rely upon the main
no
village.
PDS we own.
My lord, that is exactly why I was pressing for early hearing of this matter, because, my lord, owing to the dispute that created, my lord, after such a long time, my lord, the Lomsentong village is having a lot of problem, my lord. Now, even for village, for constitution of the village employment council also, my lord, committee also, my lord, they are the one who's creating a lot of problem for us. That is now
the population.
Lordship,
we have around 70 plus household, my lord. Lomsentong has got 70.
So your population must be around into 350.
Somewhere around like that, 300, 350, my lord.
And Mansan village?
Mansan village has about. Give me a minute, lordship. I'll just get the numbers for you.
And
just a ballpark figure.
And also, my lord, will just have a look at page 13 of my affidavit and oppositions, my lord. They were talking about
the important. You have not challenged this. Yes. It was never to your notice.
What on regarding the boundaries? No, lordship. That was never brought to our notice.
Then it was never given to them when they made recommendations also.
No, lordship.
Also, it was never addressed to them. It's only for Lomsentong. But prior to this, also, your lordship, even in the year 2010, boundary was laid down, your lordship, by the executive committee. That was also not challenged by them.
You never filed an affidavit here,
lordship. If
I am not aware why the previous council.
If such challenges were made, lordship, they would have been redundant by the High Court order of 2012, which had directed for.
Yes, whatever it is, yes, maybe a lot of injustice done to you. But the very fact that you slept over your rights from 2013 till now,
lordship.
13 years you slept.
I bow down to that, lordship. I have a few.
Those rights will stand extinguished.
I have a few
by waiver,
authorities, lordship.
Waiver and acquiescence.
And also, very important matter, my lord, here is that they're saying that 1991 Act was not followed, my lord. Now, 1991 Act came after our village came into existence. Our village is not a disputed fact, my lord. From 1998 we were we were having in existence, my lord, because the very word what they call the bifurcation also is very much disputed, my lord. Lomsentong has been an independent village since from the beginning, my lord. It has always been an independent village, my lord. And my lord, now when the first point came before this honorable court, and then it was asked to ascertain whether section 3 of the Khasi Hills, the Act of 1991 followed or not. And subsequent to that, my lord, that impugned order which was passed, which is under assault now, my lord, was passed, my lord. And in that order, my lord has seen, my friend has also read out, very clearly it says that Lomsentong has existed since long time back. Now something which has been settled how can we unsettle?
That's the only thing. Yeah.
Yes. So therefore, my lord, even for that,
this executive committee, when they examine it, like,
they have examined.
Out of 3-1 steps, problems have taken, were not taken.
Yes,
but then 98 it happened.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. 90. That's why the challenge was there also, Lordship, after the official bifurcation in 2010. 2012, the order of the High Court came out, Lordship. So everything else which had transpired.
The order came out 2013. The order is saying that whatever is done is done.
Yes, Lordship. But then to be able to call themselves a full-fledged village, they need to function as a full-fledged village. They need to be able to issue their own VECs. They need to have their own PDS, so on and so forth, Lordship. But they have nothing of the sort. They also do not have a definite boundary.
No, that is
Lordship,
leave it to us. We know how to function. We have been functioning.
That is not how a full-fledged village is supposed to function, Lordship. But Lordship, on the point of delay and latches, Lordship, I humbly seek for a bit of time, Lordship, so I may be able to prepare.
No, we have to put on record also.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. In the course of hearing, MSPS Nongri learned counsel for the respondents number.
They have not been arrayed as 1 to 4, Lordship.
1 to 4. Has submitted that vital materials not been placed before this court, such as the finalization of the.
They have filed their affidavit. The same, Lordship. They have filed their affidavit.
That is 1 to 4. Such as the fixation of the boundary between the petitioner village and the respondent number 6 and 7. 6 village. So she prays law to place the same among other necessary materials before the next date. Stop. Mr. Yubin,
my lord.
Nothing. You don't need anything.
My lord, I have already filed my affidavit in opposition, but there are certain documents, my lord, that needs to be brought on record. Since 2024, we have been given no objection certificate from the right Bhoilasa also, my lord. We are under right Bhoilasa. Even Lumsuntung and Minsain is under right Bhoilasa, my lord. They have given us a no objection since 2024 also, my lord. And also, my lord, the boundaries, my lord, what they're saying that they do not know about the boundary, the boundary, my lord. Since 2011, my lord, the executive committee of the Khasis Autonomous District Council have addressed to the headman of Minsain, setting matters relating to Lumsuntung village, Bhoilasa Milim Simship. They have informed what are the boundary of the Lumsuntung also since 2011. So if they're saying today that they don't know,
all the decision went 22.
22, Your Lordship, but prior to that,
by their own admission,
notification was issued.
By their own admission, 75 is there.
No, this is the chief. Yes. And even to the chief also, my lord can just have a look for a moment at page 16, my lord.
Affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Affidavit. It is also, this court notes that this matter also, this court also knows that in this matter, the petitioner has approached this court against an impugn order that has been passed as far back as 2013. However, in the interest of justice, Mr. LC is permitted to address this matter also on delay as a preliminary point on a determination. Yes. Just after 1 week.
1 week, minutes.
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks, okay.
And my additional affidavit, my lord, the NOC, I'll bring on record, my lord.
Is permitted to bring, not to record the
NOC issued by
the
right Bhoilasa.
Who's right Bhoilasa?
He's the Lingdo.
I believe it's the Lingdo.
Are permitted to bring additional materials by affidavit.
My lord.
By one.
33.
My lord, much
obliged.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation today. The learned double AG is on legs, Your Lordship.
After a week, my lord, and 33. That is the case, my lord. where we were regularized, we were appointed, regularized, and then subsequently there was an order for revocation, my lord.
Yes.
And also, my lord, there was an order passed by my lord on the 30th of January, my lord, where they were supposed to bring on record, 30th of January, where they were supposed to bring on record the proceedings of the Departmental Selection Committee held on 26/09/2023, my lord. Because my lord was of the view that if the departmental proceeding, if the DPC was conducted properly, then there's a watertight case for them. So that is, it's not for me, but
we'll place that on the next date, Your Lordship.
Yes, on the request of so that is availability of the arguing counsel, this ought to be given.
33 to 36, Your Lordship.
Yeah.